First, I'll answer that this time I would like to really appreciate the leaders at the Muslims. I'll come to it later on. The non-Muslims also are voicing their opinion. And they are saying what's happening in Israel, what the Israeli force is doing against the Palestinian is nothing but genocide. You have mass protests, not only in the Muslim countries, in non-Muslim countries, in USA, in UK, the countries which are supporting Israel, but the people are against the government. What they're doing is wrong. That's one thing good. As far as the Muslims are concerned, I gave a talk on 13-point action plan for the Muslim Ummah as far as Palestine is concerned. 13 points.
What are high points?
I gave the first 7 points can be done by each and every Muslim. The next 6 points can be done by certain people. Number one, talk is a very long one. I'll say in a few minutes.
That's right.
Number one is that every Muslim at least should do dua. The least they can do is do dua. That let Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give sabr to the Palestinians. Let them istiqamah. Let the martyrs, inshallah, they go to Jannah. So first pray for them. Minimum you can do is pray for them, because we Muslims are like one body. If one of them is hurt, if one part is hurt, the full body is in pain. And we have to be like a brick wall together. Unfortunately, Muslims are. Number one, we have to do dua.